Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, there is quite a bit happening with Ripple and XRP. Of course, that is a given. We've got some pretty crazy price predictions coming out for Bitcoin as well, potentially going well and truly past its all-time high before the next halving, which is really interesting. Going to be talking about Dogecoin as well, some new altcoins that were listed on Coinbase overnight, and this really creepy Worldcoin as well. I'm going to go through that as well, and some spot Bitcoin ETFs, where they're currently sitting at the moment with these applications. And I'm also going to be going through my crypto day trading and my bot setups as well. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are about to get pretty wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, okay? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up down there. It doesn't cost you anything. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are just getting started with Bitcoin. This is crazy. All right, these are some of the funds, right, that are coming for cryptocurrencies. Of course, we've got BlackRock and Vanguard, two of the biggest kahunas on the planet in terms of fund managers, and they just own literally the entire planet. 9.6 trillion, BlackRock. Vanguard, $8.1 trillion. Fidelity, $4.2 trillion. UBS, massive bank, $4.2 trillion. State government advisors right here, $4 trillion. Morgan Stanley right there. Of course, you've got $3.3 billion. JP Morgan Chase, $2.9 trillion, and so on, right? Huge funds and banks right there that are coming for Bitcoin. This is enormous. Yes, we are still early. However, the clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. No BS. All right, I'm dollar cost averaging. Now, moving on, we have XRP has the potential to reach $100 this year. Remember, XRP reached $3.84 by speculation in 2018. Now it's fully regulated. 100% accurate. And I honestly believe it will soar past this value during the next bull market. That is why I'm dollar cost averaging still. Top altcoins in my portfolio. Again, this goes up every single day in the Patreon, even when I'm half asleep. We had obviously T-Fuel, AMP, Dogecoin, Theta, and Solargenic as well. Nice coins. Doge, I'm still holding on to. Solar, yeah, I'm not too bullish on it, but I do hold it. And of course, Theta, these are all in my portfolio, all right? Link is below for the Patreon, guys. Join up. Now, let's go to Coinspot. Yes, they are an official partner of the channel. Please feel free to use the referral links below for this. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you are new to cryptos in Australia. Of course, with this stuff, do your own research. And yes, all the prices you see here at the moment are in Australian dollars, and everything else is set to US dollars, because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, Bitcoin sitting at $43,000 today. Ethereum's at $2,824. XRP's at $1.07, up nearly 2% at the moment, guys. And yes, it's very bullish and still cheap in my opinion, not financial advice. Dogecoin, 12 cents. We've got Solana at $35. Tron, 12 cents. Litecoin, $136. Matic's $1.07. Shiba Inu up 1.7%. I'm still holding my SHIB. Chainlink is $11. XLM as well, 21 cents. Still incredibly undervalued in my opinion. Moving down, ICP here, $6. Hedera's at 7 cents. VeChain under 3 cents again, doing absolutely nothing for 2 years. Moving down, we've got Quant at $156. AUD. Algorand right here is at 16 cents. Axie's at $9. I am staking this, basically earning that staking rewards of 45% APY. Again, when this goes back up, I was buying this at $80. Fingers crossed it goes back up, because those staked rewards will also increase in value. Compounding, guys, that's the beauty of it. XDC back down to 8 cents, down 5%. Moving down some other favorites, of course, Neo's at $13. Gala is at 3 cents. 3 cents. Nice. Pepe as well. I do have a bot set up, some 3 bots set up in the Patreon that I've just started as well, and they literally were started today, and I'm down on that one as well, but that will continue to go back up because I'm trading neutral. I'll explain in a moment. IOTA is at 26 cents, and of course you've got Casper at 5 cents. Very undervalued in my opinion. Now let's go to crypto bubbles, and yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Again, I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, my indicators, my day trading is going up there at the moment. The news, the crypto news and finance news before I go live on the channel, all goes up in here. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. And I've been doing this for about 4 years now. So again, that is growing nicely. And I'm demonstrating that in the Patreon, guys. So again, very, very bullish. Please feel free to join up. Again, I love talking with everyone in here in the direct messages as well. Thank you to those 264 people. You guys absolutely rock. And if you're watching this video, you rock as well. All right, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Thank you very much. Join up to the Wall Street Bull. It's linked below. We'll get to the crypto bots in a moment. Anyway, obviously we've got crypto bubbles here. A Dogecoin up 5% as well to 8 cents. I mean, this was like peaking at around 60 cents in the previous bull market. So I'm still holding it up. 15% on the week, 19% on the month. Still can't complain about that right now. Comp as well, compound 9% on the day. I do not invest in this. $68 USD. Can't complain about those returns on a day. Theta, 3.8% as well. They do have some pretty insane patents right here with their project, which I've seen some pretty crazy price predictions of this going to $1,000 in the next 5 to 10 years. So again, I've got this in cold storage, just holding on to it nicely there, guys. Of course, we have some gems. XRP, a given on my channel, 2.1% on the day, 71 cents, which is really nice as well. Still cheap in my opinion. Casper, 2.5% down at 3 cents USD. Very, very undervalued. And of course, we've got XDC down 7.6% today to 5 cents. And again, it's still up 56 on the week, 65 on the month, and nearly 100% on the year. Undervalued, has been flying under the radar for quite some time. Now, this is where it gets crazy, but XRP demand rises 800% is this effect of Ripple's massive buys. This is crazy right now, and yes, I'm going to get up all these bloody pop-ups. But anyway, according to Mr. Huber right here, an XRP supporter and self-described sleuth looking for the truth, there is a major demand for XRP. He noted that between $1 and $4 billion worth of XRP is in demanded per day. Crazy. And Huber made a statement right here while responding to Yasin Murabarak, a member of the X social network, who said that there is no real market demand for XRP, which I think is just insane. According to Mubarak right here, Ripple is buying XRP from the open market in a significant volumes. He believes that XRP will not react to the market in the event of an overall bull run. Don't think so. Anyway, still responding, Huber noted that demand for XRP grew 800%, more than what Ripple could offer through their sales in the past year. Using a screenshot from TradingView right here, analytics platform, Huber revealed that Ripple's increased the supply by 10% by selling their XRP. He noted that XRP's price rose organically by 80% in the same time frame. And to supplement his point right here, point, Huber noted that during the 80% growth in XRP's price, there was no funds, ETFs, or any other investment vehicle for the digital token in the United States. Truth. He also clarified that there was no incentives, yields, or staking rewards for holding or not selling XRP. XRP's status right here was subject to the prolonged legal battle with the SEC and Ripple. The SEC filed a lawsuit seeking judgment to declare, or I should say the judge to declare XRP a security due to the nature of how it was distributed in the initial coin offering. And again, basically this Judge Torres ruled that it is not a security, therefore it is one of the only regulated assets out there, literally. And again, $4 billion per day. This is nothing compared to what's coming to this space. It's crazy. Now, this is an interesting one from Global Finance website right here. And again, this is just an update, but it just gets really interesting. But the judgment by the court for the Southern District of New York ruled that XRP is not a security. And the ruling will also likely force US banks to innovate even faster amid the threat of greater disintermediation right here that broader usage of digital token may bring. For starters, the US corporate treasury departments will now have an unencumbered access to XRP at a fraction of the cost of traditional banks in foreign exchange transactions. Foreign exchange market is enormous, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Just pointing that out. Ripple also stands to gain from US banks using XRP for cross-border payments as a blockchain alternative payment messaging cooperative, SWIFT. and the US government is likely to be watching events closely. And the rollout of the highly anticipated FedNow real-time payment service on July 20th allows 41 participating banks and financial institutions to offer their customers instant payments in the United States. Designed by the Federal Reserve, the system uses technology powered by Volant, however you want to pronounce it, a Ripple partner, as one of the companies supporting the Fed initiative. That has led to speculation that Ripple's indirect involvement could spread the use of XRP. The Fed obviously is on record saying that it has assessed XRP's capabilities during the research before FedNow's launch. Indeed, central bank officials have said FedNow is an attempt to modernize America's banking system and may limit the reach of private sector players such as Venmo and PayPal. I don't like PayPal. They do my head in. For now, FedNow is limited to domestic payments, but it is not inconceivable that they may be deployed for cross-border payments as part of FedNow's modernization efforts. Digital-first banking services are increasingly taking center stage, but that current payment rails in the US look dated and mismatched concerning consumer demand. Meanwhile, Ripple Labs, XRP, could benefit from the Biden administration pushes ahead with plans for central bank digital currencies. In May, it launched the CBDC platform that lets central banks, governments, and financial institutions issue their own CBDC, leveraging the same blockchain technology used by the XRP Ledger. Very, very bullish article right there. Absolutely love that. Now, Ducati. I'm more of a Formula One guy, but I do love motorbikes. But this is crazy. But Ducati partners with Ripple and prepares to launch NFT collection on the XRP Ledger, which is really nice as well. And Ducati, a renowned motorcycle manufacturer established in 1926, is set to enter the world of Web3 by launching the first ever digital collectibles on the XRP Ledger. I might have to get me some of these. And the Bologna-based firm believes that this step is essential, strengthening, obviously, its relationship with digital global community right here. And I should say the global community. Very, very nice to see that. Is anyone bullish on Ducati? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. Dogecoin obviously is pumping at the moment as Elon links meme coin to X, the new Twitter. Dogecoin shot up another 10% on Tuesday on greater excitement surrounding Elon Musk's rebranding of Twitter X. Tuesday's rise follows a related post on Musk's Twitter or X, anyway, where the tech mogul appeared to link X to the famous dog meme. Musk requested a 9-second animated graphic of the platform's X logo. The animation itself was sourced by Doge designer, the UX, UI, and graphic designer Dogecoin, MyDoge Inc. Very, very nice right there. Musk also added Dogecoin symbol to the location field in his Twitter bio right next to the X logo, which means he's going to be implementing cryptocurrencies. Anyway, this is an interesting update on the spot Bitcoin ETF applications as well. Schedule updated right here. Here are the dates to watch for possible approvals. 21 shares in ARK Invest. Very bullish on this right now. Of course, we've got the deadline, 29th of June, and obviously August 13th, 11th of November, and of course the 10th of January. I mean, this is just getting very close to the ETA, I should say the Bitcoin halving. Very interesting. Of course, we've got March 15, 2024 right here for BlackRock. Bitwise, 14th of March 2024. Van Eck is the 15th of March 2024. Wisdom Tree, 15th of March 2024. Invesco and Galaxy Digital, 15th of March 2024. Fidelity, 15th of March. Valkyrie, 19th of March. This is crazy. So again, once these get approved, forget it. I mean, this is going to be absolutely parabolic. Things are going to get pretty wild. So again, this is the time to accumulate. And again, you don't get rich at the peak of a bull market. You get rich when you buy before the bull market and take profits when the market goes up. Not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. But anyway, there are some new altcoins being listed on Coinbase. We have HNT. I believe that's Helium. Blur, Arbitrum as well. We've got EGLD, OO, Audio, Lido, which is interesting as well, and ATA. These ones have just been added right here, now available to Germany residents. Very interesting right there. I mean, I'm waiting on VeChain to be listed on there, to be honest. This is crazy, but Worldcoin concerns evil product warning and questions around world distribution. This is the orb, by the way, that identifies people. I mean, that is creepy as F, don't you think? Anyway, this is crazy, but now, not long after the company's Tools for Humanity launched, Worldcoin right here, a token for privacy-preserving digital identity project, co-developed by Sam Altman right here, the co-founder and CEO of OpenAI, the platform behind artificial intelligence ChatGPT. Concerns arose about this project, basically specifically co-signed right here, the co-founder of blockchain and decentralized finance security platform, Slowmist, referred to Worldcoin as an evil creation, should it succeed, although it has high probability of failure. I'm not a fan of this thing. I don't know. It seems a bit creepy, and I'm seeing a lot of going around on Twitter at the moment, which is crazy. Now, we've got Bitcoin as well, could surge $180,000 ahead of the 2024 halving. In a recently published note, investment research firm Fundstrat right here has recently made staggering Bitcoin price prediction, suggesting the crypto could see a leap of over 500% from its current value to reach $180,000 mark ahead of the upcoming halving in April 2024. And as Market Insider reported, Fundstrat indicated that while daily demand for the flagship crypto is currently approximately $25 million, equaling the current daily rewards from mining, this equation might experience a major shakeup with the potential launch of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund. This is crazy right now. And a spot Bitcoin ETF, the note suggests, could bring in $100 million in incremental daily demand for crypto. Get ready, because this is coming. This is going to be huge. CryptoMeter.io, let's have a look here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got money flowing into Ethereum, XRP, XLM, SHIB. We've got Theta as well, ZIL, Solana, Matic, Litecoin, Bitcoin, of course, and some other altcoins there that I have no idea what the hell they do, but I'm not interested in those. Now, let's go to Twitter, and before I do, I'm just going to show you my day trading at the moment. I currently have a Solana position open up with 3x leverage on OKX. They are an official partner of the channel. All of these trades are in the Patreon, guys. Go join up to that. I did adjust my bots, which I put up in the Patreon earlier today. I have positions open up with XLM at 50x leverage. That is currently trading at the moment. Pepe as well, 50x leverage. Right now I'm down slightly on this, and of course XRP up slightly at the moment. So I'm going to see where this goes, and I've got a little bit more capital in here, 260 USDT. I have obviously 131 in Pepe and 122 in USDT right there in XLM. So again, some altcoins that I'm trading at the moment in OKX. Link below to the Patreon. You can see the full setups there, guys. Now, let's go to Twitter. And yes, I'm here, ladies and gentlemen. Wall Street Bull right here. Oz, make sure you go follow me on Twitter. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Now, of course, I'm giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. I'm almost at 60,000, so I've got a bit to go, another 40,000. Let's get it going, guys. Now, interesting, but the tokenization of real-world assets like carbon credits is a powerful use case for blockchain technology. This is an interesting one, again, because there was a thread that I just showed you right here, and I will show you, sorry. Thank you, Nick, Crypto Crusader. Take a second to think about the power behind tokenization. Real estate, 300 trillion. Equities right here, 100 trillion. Debt market, 300 trillion. Derivatives is 600 trillion to 1.2 quadrillion. Securities financing, repurchase, 4 trillion. Securities lending, 2.9 trillion. Assets management, fund administration, $89 trillion. Remember, everything of value will be tokenized eventually. And over the course of the next 5 to 10 years, we will see tens of trillions flowing into this space through tokenization. 100% accurate with that. Focus on heavy hitters that are creating infrastructure for this to happen. Some great choices, not financial advice. Quant, XRP, XLM, Hedera, Casper, Nextra, LCX, and of course we've got XDC as well. Some gems which I've been talking about for years on my channel. Just pointing that out. Thank you, Nick, for that tweet. Justin, Bitcoin could soar to 180K before April right here. BlackRock ETF helps drive demand. This is crazy right now. And of course, still early, but Bitcoin has thus come so far right here, which is crazy. 4.8 trillion, 14.8 trillion right now. It's settlement volume. Payment volume is 14.1 trillion for Visa. We're still early right now. Financial giants, Fundstrat right here, global advisors. Again, ETFs could overtake $230 billion in precious metals ETF market, which is crazy. We've got breaking. Bulgaria goes all in on Bitcoin. And the government announces purchase of nearly 200,000 Bitcoin worth $6 billion. Why would they be spending $6 billion, probably of taxpayers' money, if they didn't think Bitcoin was going to be the future? Wild. USDC is now on Stellar and now available on the Lemon app. That's bullish as anything right here. Great chart published by BlackRock, link below. Investors with long-term horizons should hold overweight equity portfolios. However, now that Bitcoin exists and a superior form of money and savings technology, investors should consider optimal Bitcoin allocation of 80 to 100%. What does that tell you? Anyway, Stuart Alderodi, 30 years of a lawyer, and crypto is, without a doubt, the most fascinating industry I've been a part of. Thank you, Jacqueline. Jack Malik, right here, can't even pronounce it, for having me on this to discuss. Go and have a listen to that. It's crazy. Ripple Singapore allows customers to deposit and withdraw gold, silver, and currencies into and out of Ripple payment network. That is bullish. Yes, again, institutions are coming. When that happens, it's going to be too late. Now, allocation for Bitcoin with BlackRock, they're talking 84.9%. Unbelievable, guys. Crazy statistics. And yes, the fear and greed index is sitting at 51 at the moment. Let's go to coin market cap, and then we'll end up on this. We have 1.1 trillion at the moment, $26 billion in volume, 48% Bitcoin, and of course 18.9% Ethereum. 26,406 cryptos. Be careful of all these shit coins that come out. They're not going to make you money. Real utility is going to be the place, and that's just not financial advice. But anyway, top altcoins, again, these get put up in the Patreon every single day. And of course, where my money's going is the banking coins. It's not financial advice. This is the ultimate list right here, in my opinion. Again, I'm not going to go through them all, but I would love to see XRP go absolutely parabolic, and we are up 11,900% so far. Very interesting. Anyway, that is it, guys. Join the Patreon linked below. I will be back tomorrow for a video update, and join me on social media as well. Follow the links below in the description. Have a good day, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and I'll speak to you tomorrow, all right? Peace out, guys. Bye.